Welcome back to Dealmaker's Den, where we make Wall Street secrets simple. Today we're diving into Treasury Bonds, the quiet giants that have a massive impact on the global economy. First off, what exactly is a Treasury Bond? A Treasury Bond, often referred to as a T-bond, is essentially an IOU from the U.S. government. In other words, when you purchase a Treasury Bond, you are lending Uncle Sam your money for a specified period, commonly 10, 20, or 30 years, during which the government promises to return your principal along with interest. Treasury bonds are considered among the safest investments worldwide. Why? Because as long as the U.S. government stands, your money is secure. So how do these bonds operate? You start by buying a bond at a set price, say $1,000, and in return, you earn interest at a fixed rate known as the yield each year. Once the bond reaches maturity, you receive your initial investment back in addition to all the interest accrued. Sounds simple, right? But here's the intriguing part. Treasury bonds hold immense power. Banks, national governments, and various investors, such as pension funds and crypto enthusiasts, heavily rely on them. For banks, T-bonds are critical in fulfilling capital reserve requirements. Countries like China and Japan purchase these bonds to maintain value and stabilize their currencies. T-bonds form the backbone of the global financial system. But how do these bonds influence the stock market? It's all centered around yields and risk preferences. When bond yields climb, meaning bonds are paying higher returns, stock markets often decline as investors redirect their cash to safer and more rewarding bonds. Conversely, when yields drop, stocks frequently surge as investors seek higher profits elsewhere. A notable fact, the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield is frequently dubbed the most important number in global finance, as it affects everything from mortgage rates and car loans to stock valuations and even Bitcoin prices. T-bonds might not be glamorous or deliver quick windfalls, but they act as the unseen force driving the global financial engine. Grasp the ins and outs of bonds, and you'll unlock the pathways of money flow in the world. This is Dealmaker's Den. We don't just watch the markets, we decode them.